Google likely to enhance Circle to Search with Pixel Screenshots integration? Google recently debuted its new Pixel Screenshots app, which uses on-device artificial intelligence to analyze screenshots. Now, the tech giant is expected to develop the integration of this app with Circle to Search, so that users would be able to save the screenshot of the circled item directly in the Pixel Screenshots app. Circle to Search is a feature whereby users circle something on their screen and search for it. But in the latest beta version of the Google app, 15.32.37.29.ARM64, it was reported that Pixel screenshots are now integrated with Circle to Search. When users circle something in Circle to Search, they would see the option to save with the Pixel Screenshots icon beside it. If they tap Save, a screenshot will be saved inside the Pixel Screenshots app directly. Users can open the screenshot in-app and see when it was taken. If the screenshot is AI-enabled, as may be the case in due course, users would see an alert box denoting that it's ready for AI summaries, smart actions, and searches. However, if this feature would be integrated within the app, then it would be easier for users to save and analyze screenshots of items they're interested in. The Pixel Screenshots app would analyze the screenshot using on-device AI and would provide users with more details of what's been saved. This would be useful for those who need to obtain more information on products, places, or things around them on the screen. Here's how it works. When users circle an item using Circle to Search, the Pixel Screenshots app would automatically save the screenshot. The app would then use on-device AI to analyze the screenshot, providing users with relevant information. Users can view the screenshot in the app, which would also provide information on when the screenshot was taken. If the screenshot is AI-enabled, users would see an alert box indicating that it's available for AI summaries, smart actions, and searches.